Welcome to Coachella, the iconic music festival in the California desert. Get ready for sun, music, and unforgettable moments. From humble beginnings to a global phenomenon, Coachella has shaped festival culture. Let's explore its magic. Experience the unique atmosphere, blending music, art installations, and fashion in the Indio Valley. More than just music, Coachella is a cultural event, a melting pot of creativity and self-expression. Prepare for world-class performances across multiple stages, catering to diverse musical tastes. Join us as we dive into the heart of Coachella, exploring its highlights and must-see moments. Coachella is renowned for its incredible music lineup, featuring top artists from every genre. From pop icons to rock legends, electronic beats to hip-hop rhythms, the stages are alive with sound. Experience the energy of the crowd as they sing and dance along to their favorite artists under the desert sky. Discover emerging artists and hidden gems alongside established names, expanding your musical horizons. Beyond the main stages, explore hidden performance spaces and surprise sets throughout the festival grounds. Feel the bass drop and the melodies soar as music unites everyone at Coachella. Coachella is a runway for festival fashion, showcasing bold styles and creative outfits. From bohemian chic to futuristic trends, express yourself through unique and vibrant clothing. Explore large-scale art installations, interactive sculptures, and breathtaking visual spectacles. These artworks create an immersive environment, blending creativity with the festival landscape. Capture stunning photos and unforgettable memories amidst these artistic wonders. Art and fashion are integral to the Coachella experience, enhancing its unique and vibrant atmosphere. Beyond the music and art, Coachella offers a unique festival experience unlike any other. Indulge in diverse culinary delights, from gourmet food trucks to international flavors. Relax in chill zones, enjoy refreshing drinks, and connect with friends old and new. Witness breathtaking sunsets over the desert landscape, creating magical evening moments. From sunrise to starlight, Coachella is a nonstop celebration of life and music. Create lasting memories and embrace the spirit of Coachella. Until next time.